Mr. Suneja will represent IFFCO and share IFFCO's perspective about their PR drive and excellent work they are doing out there.
We are from IFFCO and we are associated with the farmers. Dr. Pathak in his letter said that in this after sales service, but in IFFCO we start sales, our services before sales. We transfer technology to the farmers at the grassroots level. And what we tell that whatever is happening in the laboratories in the agriculture universities, we take that technology to the grassroots level. And there are other things also, corporate social responsibility we are doing to the farmers. In these farmer schemes, we provide farmers with the soil testing. That is very important for us. Without soil testing, as fertilizer is getting costlier and costlier day by day, and we tell the farmers to use whatever is required. What the farmers are doing, that they are using urea which is cheaper, whereas the earth requires about micronutrient also, that we advise them to use as per the test reports. Secondly, in some of these fairs, like we are having some scheme like lift irrigation. In some of the villages when we visited, we saw that the water is flowing downstairs and the fields are upstairs. What we did, we provided the farmers with some hand set or pumps so that the waters can reach their fields. Earlier, indirectly we benefited from that, because if there is a agriculture in their field, they will be using our fertilizer. That was not our main aim, but indirectly we benefited from that. So sometimes what we do, services, indirectly we get benefit, and our aim is so that we get food security in India. For that, fertilizer is very necessary. And thirdly, we were mentioning about the technology. I share with you the benefit of technology, like the mobile phones. What we are using mobile phones, we saw the farmers in the remote, even in the seas also, where they are there, in the fishing also, we saw that farmers are using mobiles very often. And we have started one service also, IFFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited. We are providing the farmers with their questions. In whatever their questions are there, we reply to them what is to be used, how it is to be used. Our purpose is to transfer technology. Thirdly, I share with you that technology has its own benefits. Now, when I was with All India Radio, my friend was there, and when he used to come to Delhi, and he has to send the message, I am talking about 30 years back, he has to send the message to his mother that he has reached Delhi. He used to tell the announcer in the All India Radio to announce his name in the Urdu Majlis program. The moment his name is announced, his mother realized that his son has reached Delhi. This is the benefit of technology that people have been using more than 30 years ago also. This was the indirect benefit of the All India Radio. Secondly, in context to the engineering, my son did engineering, and after that, he told me that he wanted to do MBA. What is the use of doing MBA? I think that without MBA engineering they think it is incomplete. Secondly, I want to share the technology my another son has done in biotechnology, BTech in biotechnology, but he has been selected by the Infosys and he is doing IT. This is the benefit of one person can be transferred to any other field, and engineers are thought as the most suitable person for all these things. In our offices also, we saw that our HR activities or the chief of the HR are with the engineering background. I think engineers are as good as IAS officers who can be fitted every day. That is my own opinion, and I wanted to share with the August audience. Thank you so much.